Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to find common characters in two strings. So basically this program is all about two strings in which we'll find the common characters. So let us understand this program. So in the first line, line 1, this defines a function named find common characters that takes two arguments here, string 1 and string 2. Basically, these arguments are expected to be strings entered by the user. Now, in the next line here, this converts string 1 means str1, the first string entered by the user, into a set and assigns it to set 1. A set in Python is an unordered collection of unique items. So this operation will remove any duplicate characters from string 1. So similarly, in the third line, this line converts the str2 means the second entered string by the user into a set and assign it to set 2. Now in the next line here, the intersection, this method is used or called on set 1 and set 2 to find the common elements, that is the characters that appear in both strings. So the result is stored in the variable common char. Now the intersection of two sets returns a new set that contains only the elements that are present in both the string. Means the third set contains only the common characters. Now in the next line here, the common char set which contains the common characters between string 1 and string 2 is returned from the function, and this allows the function to give the result only when it is called. Now in the next line, this program prompts the user to enter the first string, and the input function reads the line of the text from the user and return it as a string. And this string is then stored in the variable str1. And similarly in the next line, this line prompts the user to input the second string, which is then stored in a variable string2 or str2. Now in the next line here, find common character function with str1 and str2 as arguments is called. The function will return the common characters between the two strings, and the result will be stored in the common char variable. And in the last line here, this line prints the result, which is the set of common characters between string 1 and string 2. It uses print to display the string common characters followed by the value of common char. So let's check this program. As we need to enter two string in this program, so I'm entering hello, and the next string I'm entering is. So now the output will show the common characters present in both the string. Hence, the common character present in both the strings are O and H. So, thanks for watching this video.